Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a crazy and cool animated landing page using just HTML, CSS, and a little bit of GSAP. So without any delay, let's get started and let's see the animation. As soon as I reload the page, you see that from different directions, the leaves start coming in. And then at the center, we have some text, which also animates from the bottom and then they fade in to the top. In our HTML, we start with a basic broiler template, which you can easily generate by typing exclamation and hitting enter. Now, within the head section, we link our CSS file using the link tag to apply styles to our HTML element. In the body, we add a main element that serves as the container for our entire web page. Inside this main, we include the 3 leaves that we have with a common leaf class. Each leaf also has a unique class, leaf 1, leaf 2, and leaf 3 to allow for individual positioning and animation. Additionally, we add a div with the class of heading containing h2 element. This h2 wraps the bold part of the text in span and the lighter part in small tag. In our CSS, we start with the universal selector resetting the margin and padding and setting the box sizing to border box so that the padding and borders of the elements are included in the total width and height of the element itself and not extra. Next, we define 2 custom fonts using font face, in which we have the font family, which is used to call these fonts. Here I've added Kaif Medium and Kaif Light as the 2 fonts, and then I've linked or I've added the source or the path of the fonts and also set the format as open type since these are OTF fonts. Now for the body, we set the height and width to take the 100% or 100 viewport height and width, and then we add a light background color. The main element inside of the body takes the 100% width and height of its parent, that is the body, and has overflow hidden to clip the overflowing content and has position relative so that we have the absolute positioning for the child elements. Now the leaf class that is common to all the 3 leaves is positioned absolutely and given a high Z index so that all the leaves appear on top of the other elements. Then the image inside of the leaves is scaled down using the scale 0.7. Each leaf is positioned differently using their specific classes, leaf 1, leaf 2, and leaf 3. Next, we style the heading using position absolute and bring it at the center using transform translate -50% x and y -50%. Now this heading has a fixed height of 160 pixels and has overflow hidden so that we have the clipping effect for the text animation when we add the animation using the GSAP. The line height of the text is same as the height of the heading so that the text appears vertically at the center. The h2 tag also contains small and span tags for lighter and bolder text. The span uses the Kaif Medium font with this given color, while the small uses the Kaif Light font. Started with GSAP. In your browser, you're going to search for GSAP CDNJS. The first link that opens up, you're going to click onto that and you're going to grab the minified version and add that in your HTML. Once that is done, you're going to open the script tag and you're going to write the gsap.from method. This method animates elements from a specified initial state that we can specify now to their default state, which is the original one that we're seeing now. In this case, we have the h2 span and h2 small elements, which are animated from a y position of 1000 pixels below the starting point, creating the effect of the text rising from below. The stagger property adds a delay of 0.5 seconds between each element, that is the span and the small. The duration of 1.5 seconds ensures a smooth, gradual movement. Next, we animate the leaves. So we have leaf 1, leaf 2, and leaf 3. Leaf 1 appears from top left the leaf 2 appears from top right and the leaf 3 appears from bottom left. We also add a duration along with a delay of 0.5 seconds for smooth animation. So yeah, that's it guys. Hope you liked the video. So thanks for watching the video. Meet you guys in the next. The source code is down in the description, so make sure to download and use it. Meet you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.